Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to renew your Canadian passport online. First, we need to open our web browser and write down here renew Canadian passport online. You can see the first link, get the form and submit your passport renewal in Canada. Click here and I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can directly open through that link. Now click on this link. Get the form and submit your application. Get the right form to apply. Tell us when you need to passport. You will get the form you need and when do you need the passport. I click here 19 business days or less. Click here. When the next 19 business day do you need the passport? 2 to 9 business days. I click here. If you need more urgent, then you can click here. Complete the form. Fill out the form on your computer to save the time. And save the form on your computer and use Adobe 9 Reader 10 or higher. Do not use the phone or tab or open it in your web browser. The form will not work properly. So now we need to download Adult Passport Renewal Application Form PPTC 054. Click here and download. Adult Simplified Renewal Passport Application. Print or type in capital letter using black or dark blue ink. Personal information, surname, last name. Here we need to fill last name. I gave here Ajla. Given name, Komalpreet Kaur, and all former surname including surname at birth. If different from above, this will not appear in the passport. I leave this section because I do not have any previous surname. Surname of parents at the birth. I use here my parents' surname. Applicant place of birth Pune, country India. Anticipated date of travel. It is recommended that you do not finalize travel plan until you receive the requested passport. If you have urgent, then you can click here month and date, and otherwise you can leave. Date of birth, it appears in the previous passport. I fill here date of birth, sex female, natural eyes color brown, height, and all the information should be matched with your previous passport. Current home address, street, city, province, postal code. If the mailing address is different from your current home address, then you must need to fill here mailing address, otherwise you leave this one. If the current address and mailing address is same, then you do not need fill here. Email address, you need to fill here your email address, telephone number. Sign within border. While signing, do not touch this box. And after that you fill here date, city and province. Most recent Canadian passport. See instructions, section J, passport number, date of issue and expire. Canadian citizenship to be completed if you were born outside of Canada between February 15, 1977 and April 16, 1981. I am not under this date, so I will leave this section. If you are under, then you need to enter here. Period of validity. Choose one of the following period of validity. I choose 10 year. If you want, you can choose 5, but 10 is good because it's a long time. Additional personal information. Address in the last 2 years, same as current home address, different from current home address. If your address is the same as your current address, then you do not need to enter here. But if you have a change your address in the last 2 years, please enter the previous address here. You can see if I click same as a current home address I cannot enter because I have already filled my current address. And if I said no, then different from current home address, then I can fill here. And if I change, then I fill, otherwise no. I click on same, I have a same address. Occupation in the last 2 years, and if you are employee, then you need to fill here employer, school or others. I fill here address and all this information here. And if you are unemployment, then you need here fill unemployment. Reference: provide the following information for two person who are not your relative, are 18 years of age or over, and he know you at least from 2 years. First I fill my information. First reference: surname, given name, and relation of the applicant, address and telephone number, email ID, and has known me for 6 years. Surname for second reference, given name, relation, friend, and address, and all the information he know me about from 5 years. Emergency contact information: this information is helpful if you require emergency assistance while outside of Canada. Here you can give your partner information, and but here you need your own signature of applicant. Here you can see checklist, and you need 2 pages, both pages application from complete and signed with the last 12 months, and 2 photos at least 6 months, not more than. And here you can see the fee of Canadian passport renewal for 10 year 160 and 5 year for 120. Method of applicant: if you apply in person, then you do not need to complete this section. If you apply by mail, then you need to fill this form. And credit card information like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, name of card holder and number, expiry date. Here we need to fill applicant name, and here we need to fill amount. Signature of card holder: if the applicant does not have a Visa, MasterCard, family member or friend can provide their card detail, but the card holder must sign here. Card holder here sign here, and date. Here you can see mailing address, contact information. If you need any information, then you can contact them Monday to. Here you can check your personal information step if you want, and you need to check how to sign here. You must sign your usual signature in both pages, and this one is a correct sign, and don't do like that. Here you can see Canadian passport photo instructions. You must signature on 2 pages, first here and second one is here. Now you are ready to apply for renew your Canadian passport. If you want watch more videos related to form, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you everyone.